Well, Mara and John are involved in observational astronomy research here at our college observatory. And the work they're doing is looking at eclipsing binary stars, which are two stars that orbit around each other. One of the two stars in the system is known to be a pulsating star as well. This is a star which grows and shrinks over time.
We did research on a very long list of stars, and the ones that came up with very little or almost no research, we decided to look at those more closely. What we're doing is we're recording the light as a function of time, and that'll give us a complete light curve of the star system, which is going to tell us a lot of information about the stars, like their temperature and the angle of observation.
We're looking to find the light curve of a particular system so that from that information we can use something called the Wilson-Diviney code, but that helps us figure out the mass ratio and radius ratio of the two stars that are in the binary system.
What we look for in the images we take is a high signal-to-noise ratio, which means we're getting a lot of data from the star.
This combination of pulsations within the eclipsing binary system is pretty unique. We only know of about 70 or so stars that do this, so our ultimate goal is to publish this data, preferably by the fall or early next year, and so it can be used by others to incorporate into their own research. And definitely the students would be authors on that paper.
Like the research that we're doing and a publication that we might put out could get some attention and actually be useful in the field.
It is pretty unusual for undergraduate students to be authors on refereed and published research papers. No, Huntington's a very good location for observational astronomy.
There's a lot of opportunity to do astronomy research here. It's kind of a well-funded program, and we are able to do a lot.
The observatory, as I understand, was built in 1988, so the structure itself is 25 years old, and the telescope that's in there now, though, is only 1 year old, purchased new, and it's a 16-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain reflector. That puts it at the upper end, really, of telescopes that you can find at a college or university on campus.
I really like the opportunities that Juniata has, and I'm glad it's a small school.